Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to use Fiverr as a beginner. So as you can see, we are currently on the seller dashboard, and first off you need to log in your account first. If you don't have any account yet, you can just make an account by logging in with your email or Facebook or Google account, just like that. And after that, you'll be redirected here on Fiverr, and click on, if you're not in your profile yet and you're on other pages or section, just click on the top right hand corner here on your profile logo and click on profile. After that, you'll be redirected here. See, I have no active gigs yet. This is a new account, and you could change your display name right here. You could put a profile picture here. So there's like that, and if you scroll down, you can see description. You could edit your description, put any description you would like right here. And of course, languages. What language do you use? You could add the language right there. Just click on add. And skills, you could add some skills right here. An experience level, just like that. And education, of course, is very important to add all of these, so that buyers can see what is about you or what's your background or something like that. So just fill out that and click on add. And of course, the certification, certificate or award, certified from, and what year. Click on add, then you're good. After that, you'll need to create a gig so that you could basically sell your service. So right here, click on create a new gig. So let's just fill out all these options and go through it with me. So like here, let's do the example right here. Do something I'm really good at. Do something I am really good at. It's like that. Select category, let's say video animation, or you cannot put any other than letters. Right there, and click subcategory. It's a video editing. And gig metadata, select the primary type of videos to edit. So let's say YouTube videos right here. And stretch tags, you could go for like video editing, just like so. For video, I did. Click on enter if you want to confirm it. And YouTube videos, you can click on that too. Or like YouTube, then YouTube videos, gaming, something like that. So 5 tags maximum, and use letters and numbers only. After that, just click on save and continue, and you'll be redirected on the next section, which is the pricing. So of course, there's a basic, standard, and premium packages, and you could name your package like anything. Let's say video editing, basic video editing right here, and standard video editing, and premium video editing, just like so, and describe the details of your offering. So you could just basic quality video editing. This is just an example, guys, but for you, you could put on whatever you want. Depends on what gig you're offering. You just showing you the walkthrough of it all, the process. Premium quality video editing. So just like so. After that, delivery time, let's say for this one, it is 4 days, and this one is 3, and this one is 2. Just like that. And you could click on, I think, here. What you want, go color grading, subtitles, just like that. This is what the basic package includes, or the standard premium, what are the inclusions. So this just basically it. And price, let's say this one is 5, this one is 10, and this one is 15. Just like so. So basic, you could deliver it. So here is 4. You could say that extra fast delivery is 3. Then this would be 2. This would be 1, right? For an extra, let's say $3, $5, and then $8. Just like so. And you could add more extra services here, something like that, or none. It's up to you. Just click on save and continue. Oh, wait. Price should be a multiple of 5. Okay. So let's say that you can make it just $5. Save and continue. Boom. And after that, the description. So briefly describe your gig. It should be at least 120 characters. So I provide quality video editor. You can pick throughout all my packages and offerings and see what you see, or rather can pick what you like the most, something like that, and order now. Yeah. So just briefly describe your gig here and click on save and continue if you are now done. And here are the requirements, get all the information you need for buyers. So these are the examples. It's this order for personal use, business use, or a side project. So you could add something like that too. So let's just say it's this for personal use or for work. Right. Just like so, and just click on add right here and click on save and continue, and we'll be redirected to this next page, which is the gallery one. And you could add video here, but the limit is 1, and please choose a video shorter than 75 seconds and smaller than 50 MB. So remember that. And images could be up to 3 right here. So you could browse and add some images here. And documents, you could add up to 2 documents here, something like that. And just click on save and continue. Oh, we need to upload the video. So let's say we upload this one. Just like that, guys. So for uploading the video, just click on this one. And of course, you need to upload one first before you could save and continue here. So you cannot skip this part. But after that, you'll just go to publish right here and just fill out all the options and just save and continue, and you are good to go. And now you could start selling your services and gigs to buyers. And I hope you have found this video helpful. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.